Hi everyone, this is Krishna Kiran. Welcome to iClass Tutorials HTML Class 1 Introduction and Overview of HTML. Let's begin with the question. What is HTML? HTML is a computer language is used to create web pages and make them functional. And again a question over here, what is a web page? A web page is a document connected to the World Wide Web. Web page contain text, images, videos, buttons, etc. We can see these web pages in an internet browser. I am gonna show you two examples: Facebook login page and Google search engine page. As you can see in these examples, web pages contains text, buttons, etc. and those are displayed in an internet browser. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext is a word or a line of words that contains link. This may link to another website or web page or another place in the same web page. We can follow these links by clicking or tapping on this hypertext. Markup language. Markup language is a computer language that uses tags to define contents on a web page. Whatever the content is visible on a web page, text, graphics, etc. all are defined with these tags. Here are some points. Client-side scripting language. Let me tell you about this first. What is scripting language? Scripting language contains a series of commands that are interpreted one by one at runtime. These are divided into two categories: client-side scripting language and server-side scripting language. Here we are discussing about client-side scripting language. Client-side scripting language create the scripts that are run on the client side or in your browser. These are sent from the server by server-side scripts. Example for client-side scripting language are HTML, JavaScript, etc. And examples for server-side scripting language are PHP, ASP.NET, etc. Coming to the second point, HTML is used to design static web pages. Web pages are divided as static web pages and dynamic web pages. Static web pages are very simple. Those are written in HTML, JavaScript, CSS, etc. If we are send a request to the server for a static web page, then the server sends the response to the client without doing any additional process. But in dynamic web page request, server sends the response to the client with doing additional process according to the client's request. Static web pages are simple to design. Static web pages or remain same until someone changes it manually on server side. Static web pages doesn't use databases, that's why these are take less page loading time. In the third point, HTML is a markup language. It uses two things, tags and attributes. HTML tags are the keywords that define how your web browser must format and display the content. They are usually enclosed in angle brackets. Example is here. Most of the HTML tags must be opened with opening tag and closed with closing tag. Some tags, image tag, break tag, etc. These are don't have closing tags. Closing tag is same as opening tag, but closing tag text is begins with forward slash. Tag attributes contain additional information and are used to customize tags. Attributes are used inside the opening tag. Example is here, font tag without attributes. After running this code, browser display the example text with default values. Let me add some attributes to this font tag, color and size. Color is equals to red, size is equals to 10. For assigning values to attributes is equals to sign is used. After running this code with and without using attributes, browser display the text like this. On left side before using attributes, on right side after using attributes, text look like this. Next, structure of an HTML document. HTML document mainly consists of two sections, head section and body section. Head section contains title of the page, metadata, etc. Body section contains everything is displayed on the web page. Let's have a look on these sections with tags. If we look here, code is begin with HTML tag and total code is placed between HTML opening and closing tags. It tells the browser it is an HTML document. Head tag is used for head section. It contains title tag which is used to display title of the web page. Body tag is used for body section. It contains a head tag and a paragraph tag. After running this code, browser display the code like this. On head section, title is defined. It is displayed here. On body section, heading and paragraph is defined. These are displayed here. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe.